Okay, so I've just Googled UTM Builder, and this is the Google UTM Builder. It's on the DevTool website. So what we do is we put the website URL in at the top. So for example, if you're showing a product or a piece of content, that would be the URL you use. And then you've got the campaign source. So this will be, for example, if this is going out on Facebook, you would put Facebook in there. If it was going on Twitter, you'd put Twitter, and so on and so forth. So the source is essentially the website or the platform. In this case, the social media platform is going to send the traffic to you. And the campaign medium, so you'd have something like email if you're going to send this link through an email. So your campaign source might be January's newsletter, which is completely unexciting. But remember, this data is for you to see, so it's probably better to name things in a conventional way so you can understand them in your analytics when you look back a year later and think, that makes sense. You can use CPC for essentially paid traffic. So say you're doing Facebook ads, you'd have campaign source Facebook, campaign medium CPC. And for social, you'd have campaign source, whatever the platform may be, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And campaign medium would be social. So that filters through on your analytics. You can then use campaign names and campaign terms and campaign content. These are just to give you more granular data when you drill down further past your channel data and your sources and medium. And this is really just for tracking. So let's say you run an advert on Facebook. So again, put the URL in. The campaign source would be Facebook. Your campaign medium would be CPC. And then campaign name could be, let's say you're promoting a brand new product. So new product promo. The campaign term, it's not a campaign term on Facebook. You don't use keywords and search terms, but you could put something in there like demographic data to help you identify where these people are coming from, or interests and behavior groups, just to give you an idea. And then the campaign content, that could be the variations of the adverts. You could literally put ad 1, and then the next tracking code on the next ad could be ad 2, so on and so forth. So it just allows you to really drill down beyond the source and medium of the traffic and just give you these extra layers of detail. So the UTM is quite a powerful tool when you use it correctly. Always have UTM tracking in emails, and it can be a little bit of a tedious task, but if you share a lot of information on social media, it's really good to put UTM tracking on your links that come back to your own website too.